Okay, this is my interpretation of a Chinese dish. I have no idea what the name is, but it uses chicken thigh, bones out, light soy or this Maggi seasoning sauce, Chinese wine for cooking, fresh or powdered ginger, Chinese 5-spice, honey, and MSG, and I like to put in some garlic, fresh or minced. Okay, so we cut the chicken up to about that size. Let's give it a good dose of ginger. Now this will scare you. 5-spice is very dangerous, but this one takes a lot of it. At least a teaspoon, if not more. Light soy or seasoning sauce, about 3 teaspoons or a couple of tablespoons. We need a lot of that in there. Chinese cooking wine. Good splash there. MSG. I'll give a good pinch. You don't have to use it, but it's a good flavouring. And I'll put about 2 small teaspoons of crushed garlic. Now, honey. Honey's a major part in it. So, that's about what we're going to put in honey. So as you can see, it's a fair hit. Now, we can do this 10 minutes, half an hour, or a couple of hours before you're ready for it. Let it marinate. And one other thing I forgot, I like to put a little bit of, not much, a tiny bit of dark soy. Careful with that because it does make everything very dark. Give it a good mix up. Cover and let it marinate. You can leave it out if you're going to be using it in the next hour or so, or put it in the fridge. Now you don't need any vegetables with that, but if you wanted to, you could stir fry a little bit of red peppers, capsicum, maybe a little bit of broccoli. Any of these could go in there. Okay, now we're going to cook the chicken. Start with some oil. And I decided to put some veggies in. A little bit of onion, some broccoli, just a touch of mushroom, and just a couple bits of capsicum, just for colour. So we'll give that a bit of a cook up first. Okay, just to hurry it along a little bit, make it even, I'll put the lid over. I'll put a tiny bit of water in there. Put the lid over so it steams as well as... Whoops. So we're going to need a little bit more liquid, so I'm using a little bit of vegetable type liquid stock. Just a little bit. Add the flavour into there. And this will take about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, pretty well ready, but it's a bit wet with all the honey and the soy and the added water and steam, so we just add a bit of corn flour, thicken it up a bit. And there it is ready. Now we just dish it up into a bowl, serving, and we'll just garnish with a bit of diced up spring onion, and that's it. So there we have the finished chicken. Here we have some prawns done with cream, garlic, shallots, a few minor vegetables. We have a pork with chili plum pork, chili and plum, yes, in the pork. And we have a beef and black bean. Of course, rice. And I like my beer and my wine, so I have both. And that's the meal. I'll show you how to cook the rest later.